Maybe you saw this creeping in the corner over here as I was recording a video on this SHA 56 blower shredder vac. Check it out. Here it is, the Stihl SGA 85. Stihl's first venture into a battery-powered sprayer. This is awesome. You know, I've seen multiple battery-powered sprayers over the years. In fact, Carl's Mower and Saw. Hi, everybody. This is Josh with Carl's Mower and Saw. An opportunity today to look at a couple of the new Stihl products coming out soon. So anyways, I have sold over the years several different brands of battery-powered sprayers and have never really felt confident in them, right? Like, so what's going to break? How am I going to get a part? How am I going to support this product? And that game has changed when we bring Stihl on board, right? We know that when we buy a Stihl product, we're going to be able to pull up, first of all, an owner's manual. The dealer is going to be able to pull up an IPL and source you any part you need. You know, what if you break the cap? We can get a cap. What if you get the hose gets damaged? What if the wand gets damaged? Whatever. You know that when it's a Stihl product, you have somebody standing behind you to take care of it. So the SGA 85 is, like I said, a battery-powered backpack sprayer. Let's pull this up. Let's take a peek at it. Okay, you can see there. And if we turn, here's our door on the side. Open this up, and it runs the AP battery. So this is a Pro Series tool, right? So if you have a FSA 135 or a BGA 86 or an HSA 94, something like that, that's the battery you're going to use, right? The AP battery. And you can run any of the AP batteries in it. Let me tell you something. The AP 100 runs this thing for like 500 minutes, I think. So you're talking a full day of spray. If you spray for more than that, God bless you. You're awesome. So we've got the AP style battery here. Let me put this back in so my hand is free. Come back. We have an on and an off. There we go, making some noise. And then we have this dial knob that sets our pressure. So I want to say it was 80 PSI at the top end. So a pretty serious heavy PSI all the way down to probably in the 20s. We'll see if I can figure that out. I don't remember these specs. Again, first look, first peek. Turning it around, we've got a nice carry handle. Look at this padding. I mean, right, this is padding that we'd be normally seeing on a backpack blower. Nice chest strap here to keep it on, right, so it doesn't start sagging. You think of the fatigue savings from just having a quality padded strap, and then also not this constant pump and pump and pump. Okay, and then one other thing before I put it on my back. The wand's got a wonderful holder, right? We can come down in. Whoop, that was not the way to do it. There we go. Right? You see that nice pocket, how it's in there, it's secure. It's not going to fall out. A lot of them just clip on and they pop out. So, boom. Let me put this on my back. No liquid, so I can't spray you. I'm sorry. Quick adjust straps. We can suck it up. And then we reach around to the side. See if I can find these controls if they're intuitive. Turning it on. And then in front of it is the dial. Turn it up or down. So forward, counterclockwise. We'll call it counterclockwise to reduce the PSI. Clockwise to increase. We have a trigger lockout here. So I can lock it for safety. So now I'm not going to accidentally spray anything. Or unlock. An adjustable brass nozzle, right? So we can go from a hardcore stream to more of that cone. So here we go. This is exciting. This is something that we've been waiting for. I mean, we knew it was coming, but honestly, let's be honest, we've been waiting for a product like this from Stihl for years. A good sprayer, a quality sprayer that runs on the batteries we're used to, and we know that we're going to get support for. Hey, I'm excited for 2022 and the new products that are coming from Stihl. As we see new stuff hit our showroom floor, we will show you what's coming. We'll do some unboxing. As I learn more about these tools, I'll post another video. So again, Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out a little sneak peek, a little preview on what's coming here, hopefully in 2022. All right, we'll see all you guys soon. Thank you.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.